Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken pho broth. First, select a whole chicken or various chicken parts for the best flavor foundation. Next, prepare your aromatics by roasting ginger and onions until they are fragrant and slightly charred. These initial steps are crucial for developing a deep, savory base for your authentic pho. Now, let's talk about the aromatic spices that define pho. Gently toast whole spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves until fragrant. Add these to your simmering chicken broth. Allow the broth to simmer for at least 2 to 3 hours, letting all the complex flavors meld beautifully together. With your broth ready, it's time to prepare the other components. Soak dried rice noodles in warm water until they are pliable, then cook them briefly according to package directions. Shred the tender chicken from your broth, or thinly slice fresh chicken breast. Arrange the cooked noodles and chicken neatly in your serving bowls. Finally, let's assemble your perfect bowl of chicken pho. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic broth over the noodles and chicken. Garnish generously with fresh herbs such as cilantro, green onions, and Thai basil. Offer lime wedges, bean sprouts, and a touch of chili for a personalized touch. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.